Ukraine has introduced a groundbreaking military innovation, the Peklo drone missile, capable of striking strategic enemy targets deep in their rear. Developed by Ukrainian engineers, this advanced system showcases the country's rapid progress in high-tech defense technologies. President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed the successful combat use of the Peklo and announced that the first batch has already been delivered to Ukraine's defense forces. The Peklo combines the speed of a drone with the power of a jet engine missile, providing unmatched maneuverability, autonomous operational capabilities, and resistance to detection. Its composite materials and aerodynamic design make it nearly invisible to most radar systems. Equipped with advanced navigation systems, including GPS and inertial technologies, the drone is highly resistant to electronic countermeasures. With a speed of up to 700 km per hour and a range exceeding 800 km, the Peklo is a game-changing weapon capable of delivering precision strikes on critical enemy infrastructure. Its warhead, while classified, is designed to effectively destroy fortifications, equipment, and strategic targets. In modern warfare, where technological superiority is vital, the Peklo enhances Ukraine's defense capabilities and highlights the success of its defense industry. Plans are underway to increase production, improve its range, refine guidance systems, and develop new modifications for diverse missions. This innovation positions Ukraine as a rising force in the global arms industry. Advanced systems like the Peklo not only strengthen defense but also attract international partnerships and investments in research and development. Over time, the Peklo could become a key component of a broader unmanned ecosystem, including reconnaissance drones, electronic warfare systems, and counter-drone measures. Ukraine is proving its ability not only to meet modern challenges but also to set new benchmarks in the defense sector, demonstrating resilience and leadership in next-generation warfare.